Port Dickson, a renowned coastal town in Malaysia, faces several environmental and social challenges that impact its community and tourism industry. One pressing issue is the pollution of coastal waters, primarily due to inadequate sewage treatment and waste management systems. A futuristic AI-driven floating biofiltration and wastewater preservation system that purifies wastewater, recycles ocean pollutants, and converts them into valuable bioproducts. The system integrates AI, nanotechnology, and marine biology to enhance water quality while generating revenue through circular economy strategies.
Hey everyone, how to cycle AI works. AI-enabled floating treatment plants. First autonomous floating biofiltration units station in Port Dickson, coastal waters. It is equipped with AI-powered microbial biofilter, nanotech membranes, and algae-based detection system. We also apply real-time AI monitoring that ensures mitigation and optimized purification process.
Savage to energy conversion and ocean plastic upcycling. It captures wastewater from coastal hotels, resorts, and communities before it reaches the ocean. And anaerobic digesters convert organic waste into biogas for clean energy production. This system has AI-driven robotics collect to remove plastic waste, which is then processed into eco-friendly building material or 3D printing filament.
Smart seagrass and coral restoration. First, AI-controlled marine drone swarms deploy cultivated seagrass and coral spores to restore biodiversity. Then, the purified water is released with nutrient-rich biogas, accelerating marine ecosystem regeneration.
Revenue generation via circular economy. Savage derived biogas sold to nearby industry to convert into hydrogen food. Recycle ocean plastic turn into eco-bricks for sustainable construction. Nutrient-rich biosludge used for coastal farming and organic fertilizer production. Carbon credits and ESG funding from sustainable waste management.
This isn't just a wastewater treatment system, it's a new economic model that transforms pollution into profitability while restoring ocean ecosystems. A self-sustaining AI-powered blue economy venture that could make Port Dickson a global leader in marine sustainability.
Xplore MIndz Fire!